At Fortress Building Products, we never stop reaching for new heights. Check out the evolution of facades with our extraordinary cladding products. Get the proven, trusted name in composites, now in cladding. Be inspired by the perfection of cladding as you design and build high-performance Rainscreen assemblies with enduring, warm, wood-emulating aesthetics. Our cladding helps to manage moisture, support ventilation, and it looks amazing. Our beautiful colors and textures can be used in a variety of applications, from horizontal to vertical to diagonal, exteriors, interiors, even soffits, ceilings, or screen facades. Fortress Cladding is engineered to fight the elements and is nearly maintenance-free. It defends against UV damage, fading, rot, mold, and whatever Mother Nature sends. Available in both Tap Bamboo PVC composite and Cap Bamboo-based HDPE plastic composite boards, Fortress Composite Cladding takes beauty and performance to a new level. So how does Fortress stack up against wood and other wood-emulating cladding options? Fortress Composite Cladding boards don't fade, crack, or stain. They'll look as beautiful on year 25 as they did on the day they were installed. Fortress Cladding is available in a wide range of color and textures that emulate the warmth and tone of wood. No need to worry about volatility in the ever-changing lumber market. Get the look and strength of wood, available when you need it. Our cladding installs just like wood, with low on-the-wall costs and standard labor and tools. It's designed to fight against the elements and is resistant to UV, scratching, fading, or staining. There's no need to treat or stain over its lifetime, and no need for toxic chemicals for maintenance or cleaning. Fortress Cladding is made with harvested FSC bamboo and recycled materials, which means less impact to the environment without cutting down a single tree. Our composite cladding is naturally durable, but also backed by industry-leading warranties. So when you put it all up on the wall at once, you can see Fortress Cladding checks all of the boxes. Learn more at fortressbp.com, where you can explore the Fortress Total Solution, our collection of revolutionary products that work in harmony or stand alone for beautiful, long-lasting outdoor spaces.